This is Better Life Protocol, and in this video I'm going to talk about 6 ways to earn money online. Make sure to stick around till the end to see how I would personally combine a few of these strategies to maximize income in the long run. Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." As we all know, this money earned during sleep can be called passive income. Passive income is ideal as it's not directly connected to your time. To create or maintain a desirable lifestyle, you will probably need to earn active income by trading time for money before transitioning to more passive sources. For many of us, it isn't reasonable to immediately generate enough passive income to pay for groceries, much less for rent. And in your pursuit of wealth, just note that there is no value in comparing where you are in your journey to where someone else is in theirs. Rather, you should compare where you are now to where you were yesterday. With that being said, I hope you can find value in this video. First off, we have the general practice of transcribing. TranscribeMe, GoTranscript, and Rev are among many sites and services that allow you to earn money online by listening to audio and converting it into text. Some of them offer training courses followed by proficiency exams, after which you can begin working. Transcribing can be a great way to earn some extra cash on your own time, and all you need is an internet connection and a computer. When you're just getting started, sites like TranscribeMe, Rev, and GoTranscript can be a bit of a grind. You will likely earn less than minimum wage until your skills improve, but it's something flexible that can be done whenever you have a spare hour or two. Initially, you might only have access to lower quality audio files, making it even more difficult to transcribe. But as your accuracy metrics increase, you'll be offered better quality audio files. As your skills develop, you can earn closer to $25 per hour. This higher pay is also more likely if you transition to better opportunities as your skills increase. There are sites that will require more experience or qualifications to become a transcriber, but they will also pay more. They're definitely worth applying for if you discover you're compatible with this type of work. You could even offer your services on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and OneForma. There, you would showcase your talents in a portfolio or profile, and people could offer you transcribing work. As your skill and experience grows, you could improve further by investing in a foot pedal to start or stop the recording, or setting keyboard buttons in Express Scribe. Because of the low barriers to entry to try transcribing, you can try it out to see if it's something worth investing your time into to improve. ClickBank provides the opportunity to make passive income with affiliate marketing. You're essentially marketing products for others. ClickBank stands between the company and the individual marketing for that company. And it can also be done through free traffic sources. In other words, you don't necessarily have to have an audience from a YouTube channel or whatever else. To get started, you need to create an account before you can search for products to promote. Note that there are a lot of bad products, so you definitely have to sort through to find something decent. I strongly encourage you to maintain a high level of integrity in your product selection, making sure you are promoting something of value. Once you have the affiliate link, I would recommend one of the following strategies: creating a Facebook group, a niche page on Instagram, or YouTube channel. There are countless tutorials and guides online about how to grow each of these. You can include your affiliate link in your posts to promote products and services relevant to your niche. While some people will post their links in comments on forums and blogs, this approach is not scalable and therefore not really recommended. The Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube strategies may be very slow to start up, but they have such a high growth potential over time it can be a significant source of income. Shutterstock is a marketplace for photography. It allows you to upload photos and receive a royalty whenever someone downloads your photo. As your percentage will likely be between 15 and 40%, you will need to upload a decent library of photos before you can start bringing in significant income. But each additional photo you upload is another potential source of passive income. If you are uploading 50 or 100 images per month, your royalty payments can start to become more ludicrous. You will also get a feel for the type of content in demand, allowing you to cater specifically to the needs of the marketplace. If you're going to try this, commit to uploading a certain amount of photos each month. By making a commitment, you are less likely to quit when you don't get the results you desire immediately. Things like this don't scale linearly, but rather exponentially. And most people will quit right about here, just before they start to see growth. Once you have a significant library built up, then you will start to see more exciting results. Rover is essentially an online marketplace for pet sitting, dog boarding, and dog walking. The viability of Rover depends on where you live. You can create a profile, uploading pictures of yourself in the areas for the canines or felines to hang out, and people can select you to board or walk their pet. It may take some time to start acquiring regular bookings, but you can start to build up a regular client base if you put some effort into it. Being polite and putting care into the service will build trust and gratitude in the pet owners. As they leave you positive reviews, your business will grow. So if you enjoy spending time with pets and have the patience and attention they need, give it a try. Next we have Try My UI. Try My UI allows users to get paid to test websites and apps in order to give feedback to the creators and designers. After each use, you voice your thoughts, frustrations, and insights to allow the designers to make their sites and programs more user-friendly. Each test you perform will pay you $10 and typically lasts for 20 minutes. You are essentially recording your screen and voice as you use the site or app, followed by a short written survey. Unfortunately, you won't be able to do this full time, as you might only receive a few tests per week, but it can be a decent opportunity to bring in some side cash doing something, I don't want to go so far as to say fun, but perhaps amusing. TakeLessons.com allows you to get paid teaching people something. It gives you the flexibility to set your prices, availability, and teaching subjects in person or online. It can be a great opportunity to get started teaching people because they handle the marketing and billing. There are countless subjects to teach, including music, academics, languages, and hobbies. Take a look at their website to see if something inspires you. Maybe you are already practiced in a certain skill or language, or maybe you can find something to improve. You don't have to be a master to teach something. You just have to know more than most people. You could even pick a relatively obscure skill like origami to practice with the intention of becoming a teacher. By acquiring specific skills and knowledge, you can then start to leverage them through income sources discussed earlier. For example, you could teach origami or whatever else on TakeLessons.com, photographing your creations and uploading them to your niche Instagram account. At the same time, you could convert your already created lesson plans to educational videos and upload them on your branded YouTube channel. As you improve your origami skills and strengthen your portfolio of videos on YouTube and images on Instagram, your channel and following will grow. You can then include ClickBank links to relevant products that will serve as an additional source of passive income. As long as you maintain integrity and discretion in your product recommendations, people will appreciate that you are providing them with value in their shared interest. This strategy can be applied to any skill or niche, and will provide active income from the teaching while you are working to grow your passive income through affiliate marketing and eventually ad revenue. You will also be improving your skills in speaking, teaching, video editing, photography, and whatever skills you choose to teach. You will be growing and learning in a low-pressure, one-on-one environment. Devote yourself to growing and improving your experience, skill set, channel, and following. Use the strategies outlined above and you will transform your life in the long term. So I encourage you to give some of these a try. Let me know in the comments if you prefer that I cover more active or passive income ideas in another video. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use another source of income. This is Better Life Protocol. Until next time.